Now I will show you how to use our circuit breaker analyzer to conduct the operating sequence test for circuit breaker. During this test item, operating sequence test, we can get the test result of the minimum CO time and the minimum OC time, and also it is used to prove the rated operating sequence of the circuit breaker. You can find the rated circuit breaker. You can find the rated operating sequence on the nameplate of the circuit breaker. For example, for this one, now we conduct any OCO test for any circuit breaker, and from the nameplate, the minimum time delay between OC is 0.3, and because now we are conduct an OCO test, so it's unnecessary for us to set T1. If we conduct OCO test, you should input the value of T1. Normally T1 should be 118 seconds. This value could be found from the nameplate. And here, test voltage, you can find from nameplate. For operating sequence test, you can use an internal power only. That means you should use power from our circuit breaker analyzer. Time mode, you can select time, conduct, or closing conduct, and also travel setting. They are all the same with closing test and opening test. Here also the same with closing test and opening test will be part of the saved file lane. Reference brake profile also the same. Sensor selection the same with closing and opening test. The main purpose of the operating sequence test is to get the minimum OC time and the minimum CO time, and to prove that why the rated operating sequence on the nameplate could be conducted according to the sequence. Now we enable the test. Because we have selected the sequence OCO, so the start state of the connecting ports should be closed. Now we are using A1, B1, C1, and A1, B1, C1 is closing. One more thing that and for operating sequence test, the time delay is count according to the bounding port. That means if we use an A1, B1, C1, the bounding port should be one of A1, B1, C1. If we use A2, B2, C2 to conduct the test, we should change the bounding port to be A2 or B2 or C2. Now we run the test. Here we can see the test result including open-close time. The open-close time is the minimum OC time for this circuit breaker. Closing open time means the minimum CO time for this circuit breaker. And this is the reclosing time. If we check the cover, we can see that the cover including first the chip off and then close and immediately chip off. So we can see the full cover including the driver, the contact states, and the coil current.